Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm back with a new video and here it is 5 amazing overnight oats recipe that you can consume in your breakfast. Very high fiber and very healthy recipes that you should definitely try. First we are going with a mango chia seed oatmeal. For this you need 4 tablespoons of rolled oats, then add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds full of fiber, then half cup of milk, cow milk or almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well together and then refrigerate it for overnight. This is very easy recipe to make. The next day you have to add some chopped mangoes. Mangoes are something that is said to be very unhealthy in weight loss, but as it said, everything in moderation is good to go. So yes, definitely try this mango chia seed oatmeal. Next is banana peanut butter oatmeal. Here we are going to use banana and peanut butter as our main ingredient. Again, we have to use 4 tablespoons of rolled oats, and then you are going to add some peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter here, and half cup of cow milk or almond milk, or you can even add some coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well together and again refrigerate it for overnight, and then next day you can top it with freshly chopped bananas, and yes, your overnight oats recipe is ready and you can consume it in your breakfast. High fiber, high protein breakfast will give you great energy to sustain throughout the day. Definitely give it a try. Next is Choco Flaxseed oatmeal. Very tasty, very yummy, and if you are a chocolate lover, this is one thing that you should definitely try. Here is 4 tablespoons of oats. Then we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of grounded flax seeds. Flaxseed is really good for your body, has high vitamin E, vitamin A, that's very good for your body. Then we add some half cup of milk, almond milk or cow milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it well together and again refrigerate it overnight. Then next day you can top it with some dark choco chips, and yes, if you're a chocolate lover, this is one overnight oats for you. Next is fruit yogurt oatmeal. Very tasty and very yummy. Again, we are going to use some oats here, just 4 tablespoons of oats. Then we are going to add some yogurt. Here you can go with some plant milk based yogurt as well, that is vegan yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Then mix it well together and then refrigerate it overnight. After that, next day morning you can top it with some pomegranate or any other fruit of your choice. That will go really well together. Yogurt and pomegranate gives a very amazing taste together, and it's very healthy as well. So yes. Then fifth one is the apple cinnamon oatmeal. Again, one of my favorite recipes. This you have to caramelize your apple in some cinnamon. 1 chopped apple. On very low flame we are going to caramelize it with some cinnamon. We're not using any sugar here, just a little bit of water we are going to add, and we'll caramelize both this apple, because apple inherently have its own natural sugar, and we're not going to add any other sugar here. And we are going to add some honey in our oatmeal recipe for making it sweet. So 4 tablespoons of oats and then our caramelized cinnamon apple, and then we are going to add some milk, again almond milk or any plant-based milk you can add here, and then 1 tablespoon of honey to make it sweet, and then mix it well together and refrigerate it overnight. Top it with some nuts the next morning and your oatmeal is ready. So these are some amazing 5 overnight oats recipe that you should definitely give it a try, and let me know how did you like it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon along to never miss any update, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay fit, stay happy.